Hello, guys, and welcome back to Learn English through Small Talk Conversation. And today we have a conversation on weekend plans. So let's get started. Hi, how's your week going? It's going well, thanks. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Do you have any plans? Yeah, I'm thinking of visiting my family or trying out that new restaurant downtown. How about you? I'm planning a hike with friends on Saturday and then a movie night on Sunday. Have you hiked recently? Not recently, but I love hiking. Where are you planning to go? We are thinking of exploring the next nearby state park. The scenery is supposed to be beautiful. Sounds amazing. I might join you. What movie are you watching on Sunday? We are deciding between the new Marvel movie or a rom-com. What's your preference? I am a fan of Marvel movies. Have you seen the previous ones? Yeah, I have seen them all. What do you like to do on a typical Sunday? I usually relax, read a book, or watch TV. Do you have any favorite TV shows? I love watching Stranger Things. Have you seen it? Yeah, it's one of my favorites too. Well, enjoy your hike and movie night. Thanks, you too. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Take care.